Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to save Excel file on desktop. So let's start. This is my Excel file and here you can see I have data. So this data I'm going to save on desktop. Go to the file tab, then click on the save as option, then click on this PC and here the save as dialog box is open. Select the destination where you want to save this file. So select the desktop. So here I'm going to save this file on desktop. If you want to check the location path in this PC, the desktop is available. Okay. And if you want to change the file name, you can change here. So I just edit here this file name. So I just double click on here and edit it. Okay. Then click on the save. Before that, you can check here this file type also is default selected Excel workbook, but it not selected. Then you can choose from the just click on this drop down arrow and you can choose from the Excel workbook from this list. Okay, that's it. It's default selected. Okay, then click on the save. That's it. Your Excel file save on desktop. If you want to check, you can see here the Excel file is saved. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.